y'all, so I'm back with part 2 of the Temu haul. Okay, so what else did I get? Right, so this looks like it's another short set, 2-piece short set. Feels nice. Looks nice. Size extra large. And I will do a try on, of course. This is another 2-piece set. Okay, I didn't realize I ordered this. I wanted to, but I thought I didn't. Okay, that's cute. It says Rolling Stones. Like the color of it. Hope it's not too thin and see-through. Shorts are a little bit shorter than I thought they would be, but we'll see. I'll do a try on. Another 2-piece short set. Okay, I like the colors. She's beautiful, resilient, strong, powerful, worthy, fearless, stronger than the storm. Nice. I love that. And then this is the shorts to it. Okay, so I added a bag. I got another bag, so let me open it. So I got some stuff that I need to show in another haul. So I'm going to leave that out because the other stuff didn't come in yet. Okay, so I got this scrub brush for my dog. Oh, it feels good. He's going to like that. So this is a little scrub brush. So when you're bathing him, you scrub him with it. Yeah, he gonna like that. Another pocket fan. Okay. I like this. Is really good plastic. It's very sturdy. It's the hard plastic. It's not thin at all. So I can't wait to try those out. And it has a USB cord with it. Okay, so I have, just like I said, I have a dog. So these are what you put in the washer to keep the hair from staying in the washer. So it's 3 of them. This right here is a bag that you put the grocery bags in. Like when you have the extra grocery bags from when you go grocery shopping. And it hangs and you put the bags in here and you just put them from the bottom. So these are for the recyclable, like Walmart, Target, all those plastic bags. So I've got this, and this is for when I exercise and do stretches. Thought that will be good for me. I need to start stretching more. So this is gonna be good. Okay, nice and sturdy. Okay, y'all. Let me stop. And this is my little bag. Look at this. Okay. Nice. So this is one, I call it a Crocs bag. It is not a Crocs bag, but that's what I call it. It's orange. I'm not really into orange, but I thought I'd do something different and get something I never get, you know, usually get. And this was the orange bag that I got. Good for the summer. If I go somewhere, I can put summer stuff in it, some flip-flops, swimsuit, towel, whatever I want to put in it, or use it as a regular purse. It is very cute, and I love it. Put this over there. So I got another 2-piece set. Okay, so my next haul, I'm gonna have to put a cuter dress or something in it because I got a lot of 2-piece sets I'm noticing. So this is very colorful. I love color, hence the name, Angela in Color. That's so cute. For the love of sunshine. Isn't that cute? So all my 2-piece sets are extra large. So cute. Well, I will try on the outfits and I'll come back and show you how they look. Stay tuned.